In this part of the video, we can learn about the drainage systems and drainage patterns. Drainage system means when the rivers originate from the mountains, hills or plateaus, they will first form small streams. These streams will join together and lead to the formation of bigger streams, and finally they develops into a large river. A well-developed river can be divided into three stages. This we have learned before. First stage is the upper course, means the rivers forms in the mountainous region and through that they are flowing. So in the topo sheet we can identify the upper course by the presence of number of contour lines. And the second stage is a middle course. When the rivers enter into a plain terrain, the number of contour lines decreases and the river start to meandering. Means a curved pattern is forming because of the deposition of loads bringing by the river. And the last stage or the lower course, the absence of contour lines and rivers dividing into a number of distributaries. In the topo sheets which are having the numbers 45D7 and 45D10, generally we can find the upper course and the middle course of the rivers. When the rivers flowing from its upper course to lower course, they develop some patterns. These patterns are formed in relation with the topography of the land, nature of the rocks and supply of the water, as well as the gradient or slope of the land. Based on these, the most important drainage patterns are dendritic drainage pattern. It is a branching tree-like drainage pattern which is generally found on flat lands. When we want to find the drainage pattern, we have to refer only a particular grid square. No need to look the north, south or east, west parts of the particular grid. Trellised drainage pattern is having a rectangular pattern with the streams flowing parallel to each other and joining the main stream at right angles. Means the confluence of the streams and the main river, it will be 90 degrees. This type of drainage pattern we can find in areas with alternating hard and soft rocks or in regions of limestone rocks. Third type is the radial drainage pattern. In this pattern, streams are spreading out in all directions just like spokes of a wheel. It is generally originate from the mountains and leading to all directions, especially from the conical hills. Fourth one is disappearing streams. When the rivers or streams do not have enough water, they dry up or disappear into the sand. They are known as disappearing streams and indicated by broken lines. Now take the map 1 for question 1 which is given at the end of your textbook and find the pattern of drainage in the following grid squares. You have to consider only the given grid square. No need to check the pattern of drainage in the surrounding grid squares.